The Upholder Victoria class submarines, also known as the Type 2400, are a class of diesel electric submarines built in the United Kingdom in the 1980s to supplement the nuclear submarines in the submarine service of the British Royal Navy. Hello viewers and welcome back to my channel Lubna Scholarist. In this video we will talk about Victoria class submarines. The boats were originally named the Upholder class after the most renowned vessel of the former U-class. Their British service life was short, with the vessels being decommissioned in 1994 after an unsuccessful bid to transfer these submarines to the Pakistan Navy in 1993 to 1994. The Canadian government eventually purchased the submarines and a suite of trainers from the Royal Navy for Canadian Forces Maritime Command to replace their decommissioned Oberon-class submarines in 1998. In Canadian service, the submarines are classified as the Victoria class. These submarines initially suffered from serious electrical problems and were beset by mechanical operational incidents that limited their active service and the scope for their deployment. These problems has largely been overcome and the subs have achieved full operation capability. In the 1970s, the United Kingdom Ministry of Defence proposed a diesel-electric submarine designed to replace the Oberon class. The new submarine class was intended to provide a more cost-effective alternative for training and in coastal defense. The announcement for the new design took place in September 1979. 5 designs were put forward, with the Ministry of Defense selecting the 1960-ton design. However, the need for export potential upped the displacement limit to 2,400 tons to allow for flexibility in construction if the need for alternative machinery and systems arose. The class is equipped with 621-inch torpedo tubes in the bow. In British service, the submarines were supplied with up to 18 Marconi 24 Tigerfish Mod 2 torpedoes. They were also capable of using UGM-84 sub-Harpoon missiles. They could also be adopted for use as a mine layer. During the refit for Canadian service, the sub-Harpoon and mine capabilities were removed and the submarines were equipped with the Lockheed Martin Labrascope submarine fire control system to meet the operational requirements of the Canadian Navy. In 1992, the United Kingdom learned that Pakistan had been in discussion and negotiation with France over the acquisition of submarines with Sharif administration, giving a permission to the Pakistan Navy to acquire either diesel-electric power or air-independent power from submarines. The Pakistan Navy's research team, comprising 3 admirals, visited Sweden, China, France, and the UK. Original plans were to acquire the submarines from Sweden from the first team, but the second team recommended the acquisition of either the British Upholders or the French Augusta class during this time. Admiral S.M. Khan and Chief of Naval Staff had strongly suggested Upholder, but the Bhutto administration had chosen the French technology over several political and technical reasons. So, in the end, I would like to suggest, what do you think? Comment down below. We will be in the next video with next topic. Until then, goodbye and take care.